Hello friends, I am Apekshit Sonole from Green Horizon and today we have developed an electronic seed drill. Now we have developed this seed drill because we were facing quite problems with the traditional seed drill. Now as you can see, there is no sprocket, pinion or chain mechanism in this seed drill. Earlier seed drills have this mechanism which tends to becoming the seed drill bulky, and it also doesn't provide proper feed so that the seed is not sown at a proper distance. So we have converted this mechanical principle into an electronic principle, and then this electronic principle is powered by a solar panel, so the dependency on electricity is also eliminated. Now here I'll just briefly explain these things. There is a small regulatory circuit through which we can regulate the speed of the seed sowing. Now this is done so that from single wheel of sowing we can obtain various distances of seed sowing. If you need less distance between the two seeds, then you need to increase the speed, and if you need more distance between the two seeds, then you need to decrease the speed. And there is a motor, a 60 rpm motor, and it is powered by battery which is charged by solar panel, and this is a speed regulatory as well as battery protection system. Now we'll try to switch the motor. As you can see, a single seed is taken from the sample and then it is transferred to the sowing mechanism, and the speed can be regulated. Speed can be regulated to reduce or increase the distance. There is a switch provided at the handle so that whenever the farmer stops, the seed sowing can be stopped easily. Thank you.